Hey everyone, it's Daphne from Scrap and Crate. We're on to page 7, and page 7 is just like page 2. If you're building along with me, you know what I've done. If not, I'll go over it again. We are going to install a large pocket that is going to be adhered to the right-hand side of page 7. And the reason I'm doing that is this is the spine and this is the pocket side. And if I've got something in here and I pick my book up like this, I don't want whatever's in my pocket to slide out. So I'm installing it so that the bottom of the pocket is toward the outside of the book and the opening is toward the spine. This is 4.5 by 9, so it's 4.5 by 9 inches. You're going to score a 1/2 inch on 3 of the 4 sides. And then adhere it to the, excuse me, right-hand side of the pocket page. And this is a very simple page, and part of the reason I'm doing that is because there are so many beautiful ephemera cards. I really want to feature those in bifold in this pocket. So let's get this installed. Pushing down a corner, and then I like to use that as a pivot point to get it in straight. And there we go. So that's in, and there's our pocket. Okay, so I need to trim out and ink some papers to go on here, so I'll be back in just a minute.